First A part is question 8. A part is 15x plus into minus 7y plus into minus 18x plus 4y. Now remember the rules: minus minus plus, plus minus, minus and plus plus plus. Remember that rule and look at the board so that you will be able to understand what I am going to do on the board. So we have the x variable and y variable. We have two variables here with the coefficients. So we are going to write the x variable together. So first I'm going to write 15x plus into minus 18x, then plus minus 7y plus 4y. Understood? So I'm going to write again 15x plus minus 18x plus minus 7y and plus 4y. So 15x minus 18x, what will be the answer? Minus 3x. As you know, one value is of positive sign and one is of negative sign. So we are going to do subtraction, but we have to apply the sign. We have to write the sign of the bigger value. So bigger value is 18 here. So I'm writing minus 3x. Then which one is the bigger value here? 7 or 4? 7. So I'm going to write minus here, and 7 minus 4 will be 3y. So I can take common because there are minus 3 is common here. Can you see minus 3 is common here? Here it is minus 3 with x, and here it is minus 3 with y variable. So I'm going to take the common. I'm going to take the common minus 3 here as it is. Minus 3 is taken out. In the bracket I'm going to write x and then minus minus plus what is left here? Y. So that's the answer. B part. B part is minus 3x plus into minus 5y minus into minus 10y minus 7x. Okay, what is the first procedure? We are going to write the x variable together. So what we are going to do first? Minus 3x minus 7x. Okay, then it's the turn for the y variable. Now I'm writing the y variable here. Good. Now both have minus negative sign. So we are going to add them and write the minus sign here. 3 plus 7 will be 10x. Okay. Now I'm going to multiply plus into minus, plus minus minus 5y and minus minus plus 10y. Well done. So now simplify this one as well. Minus 10x. One value is of minus and second is of plus. So we are going to subtract them but write the sign of the bigger value. What is the sign of the? Yes, plus, and 10 minus 5 will be 5y. So what is common in here? In these both value we have something common. 5 is common. So I'm going to take out 5 here. So I'm going to write 5 what times 10? So I'm going to write minus 2x plus 5 what times 5? 1. So 1y. Should I write 1 with y or it is understood? It is understood, so I'm not going to write it here. Okay? So this is my answer. Okay, we have now C part here, and the C part tell us 9x minus into minus 2y minus 8x minus into minus 12y. The question is correct? Yes. So, girls, who is going to tell me that what we have to do first? Yes, 9x minus 8x. Okay, we are writing the x variable together. X variables together. So what is the next step now? Minus into minus 2y, then minus into minus 12y. Good. So what will be the answer? Hajra is going to tell me what will be the answer of 9x minus 8x. 1x you can say. Then minus into minus plus 2y, then minus into minus plus 12y. Now we have x plus 2y plus 12y. What will be the answer of 2y plus 12y? Plus 14y. Well done. And there is no common in here. Not in here, not in here. So I'm going to write this is the answer. Okay, we have D part here. And D part is minus 7x minus into minus 15y minus into minus 2x plus into minus 6y. Yes, Mustafa, what we have to do first? Okay, I'm going to write the x variables together. So I'm going to write it like this. Okay, is it fine? Then I'm going to write the y variables. So it will be like this, plus into minus 6y. Okay, so now remove these brackets because we don't need to. And why the brackets are here? Because there are two operations shown here. So I'm going to write without the bracket now. Minus into minus plus 2x minus into minus plus 15y and plus into minus minus 6y. Yes, Mustafa, carry on. Okay, what will be the answer? 5. Is it of plus or minus? Because, what is the reason? Bigger value has minus sign. So I'm going to write minus here because 7 got minus sign. So now what I have to do here? What should be the sign? So what will be the sign here? Operation. Plus. What will be the answer? 15y minus 6y will be what? 9y. Is it there anything common here? Yes. Is there anything common here? 5, 9. Is there anything common? Yes, guys. Girls, no, nothing is common. So this is the there for you. So it's very easy. Question 1. I'm doing part A, that is minus into x plus 5. Remember, if there is no sign with the variable, what is the variable made of? Positive number. So this minus is going to multiply with x and then it's going to multiply with this plus 5. So minus plus minus. So I'm going to write minus x then minus plus minus 5. That's the answer. Then I am going to do f part here. F part is minus 3 c plus 6. So basically minus 3 is going to multiply here in c and then minus 3 is going to multiply here with plus 6. So minus 3 multiplied by plus c will be minus 3c c and minus plus minus 3 2 times 3 6 times 18. That's the final answer. And now I'm going to do H part. H part. That is 2a x minus y. So 2a is basically going to multiply with x first and then it is going to multiply with minus y. So 2a is going to multiply with x, so it will give 2ax, then plus minus minus 2ay. That's the answer. Rest of the questions are done by your own self. I'm writing the question. Question 2, part A, that is 5 into A plus 2B, and then it is minus 3B. Okay, remember what we have to do? This 5 is basically multiplying with this group. So I am going to multiply 5 with A and then 5 with plus 2B. So 5 multiplied by A, what will be the result? 5A and then plus 2. Plus 2B से multiply होना है. 5 multiplied by 2 plus 10B. Good. And what is out? Minus 3B. So I'm going to simplify it. 5A plus 10B minus 3B. What will be the final answer? Plus 7B, because bigger value has positive sign. This is the answer. Now I'm doing question 2, part D. Yes, part D is x plus 3 multiply 2x minus 3y plus z and plus 7z. Now remember, this 3 is going to multiply with 2x, then it's going to multiply with minus 3y, and then it's going to multiply with plus z. So I'm going to write x plus 3 2 times 6x minus, because plus minus minus, 3 3 times 9y, well done, plus 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 3 1 times 3z plus 7z. Now grouping, I'm going to solve this first, then there is no variable of y, and I'm going to solve this one as well. So what I'm going to do, x plus 6x will be 7x minus 9y, and plus 3z plus 7z will be plus 10z. That's the, so what is in between this minus and this x? What is in between? Multiply. What is the meaning of this bracket? It is basically allowing the outer value to multiply inside, basically. So I am going to multiply minus with this x first. So what is the sign with this x? Plus, because there is no sign, it means it has plus sign. And I am going to multiply this minus with this one as well. So what is the sign with this y? This 5? Plus. So first minus 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 plus minus, and what is next? X. Then minus plus minus. What is next? 5. That's the answer. What is the part? C part. Okay. C is 2 into 3y plus 7. Now I am going to multiply. What is 2? Is it variable or constant? So I have to multiply constant with constant. What is the constant of this coefficient? 3. And I have to multiply constant with constant here. So 2 3 times. Mustafa, you are not looking at the board, yeah. 2 3 times 6. And what is next? Y. It is with the coefficient. Variable y is there and the constant 6 is here. Then plus y 7. 2 is going to multiply with the 7 as well. So 2 7 times 14. This is the answer. Now tell me which question. Should I raise this? Question 2 part? Acha, I'm starting with B, okay? Question 2 part B. Part B is 7 into P plus 10Q bracket of into 2 6P plus 7Q. Okay. Now tell me what is the Variable here, P, and what is here? And what is the constant here? And what is the constant here? 1. Very good. And what is the constant here? 7. So 7 is going to multiply with 1p, and then 7 is going to multiply with 10q. So 7 one times 7p. What is the sign? Plus 7 10 times 70q. Okay. Now let's solve this one. 2 variable is going to multiply with the 2 is a variable or constant? Constant is going to multiply with the constant. 2 multiply with the constant 6 plus 12p. So 2 variable is going to multiply with the 7. Come on, 2 is the variable. Hello, tell me, 2 is the variable. So wake up. 2 is the constant, and the constant is going to multiply with the constant. 2 7 times 14q. Now arrange this expression, and by writing p's value all together, so 7p plus 12p, and then I'm going to write the q's value, 70q plus 14q. So what is 7p plus 12? Constant plus constant. 19p. Constant plus constant. 84q. That's the answer. That's the answer. B is done. B is done. Let's move forward towards C. I'm erasing this, girls. Okay, do the next page. We have a lot of pages of this as well. I'm starting C. You are going to help me out because I am also, cannot understand C. Are you going to help me out? That's great. C is A plus 3B minus 5A minus 4B. So remember, there is no constant in here, only minus is multiplying inside the bracket. Okay? So I'm going to write A plus 3B as it is. Minus plus minus 5A, and minus minus plus 4B. That's the final after multiplying minus inside the bracket. So I'm going. What I'm going to do next? I'm going to write A variable with one group, and then moving forward towards the B variable, 4B. Signs are okay. 4B plus का है, 3B भी plus का है, minus 5. Okay, so A minus 5 will be positive or negative? Why it will be negative? Because 5 is bigger and 5 got minus. So minus 4A, then 3B, constant to constant, 3 plus 4, 7B. That's the answer. Part D is x plus 3 into 2x minus 3y plus z plus 7z. Now 3 is multiplying with this bracket group. Okay? So I'm going to write x as it is. What I will write now? 3 is the constant and it's going to multiply with the constant of x. So 3 2 times plus or minus, because plus plus makes plus, so 3 2 times 6x, and now plus 3 is going to multiply with minus 3, so 3 3 times plus minus minus 3 3 times 9y, and now this 3 is going to multiply with z plus what is the constant of z? 1. So 3 1 times. Good. And what is the variable? Z. Very good. And what is outside the bracket? 7z. Now let's solve this. X, what is the constant here? 1. So 1 plus 6 will be minus 9. Y will be as it is because there is no y coefficient, another one. So what is the constant here? Constant plus 3, and what is the constant here? Plus 7. So 3 plus 10 Z. That's the answer.